Hey guys, next exercise called the bird dog. Really good for getting core activation. Again, going into all four position on the floor, toes nice and bent. You're gonna slowly push your leg out and hold this position and slowly come back in. Second time you do it, slowly push your leg out and bring your hand to the side and squeeze up. Thumbs are always to the ceiling. And then come right back in. If you want to perform one leg, one arm for the same amount of reps, 8 to 10 times, you may do so, or you can come in and you can alternate. One key thing you want to focus on is when you're doing this exercise, try to focus on pushing your legs slowly, nice and low, and as far as possible, making your body really linear versus raising your leg into the air and putting pressure on your lower back.